The Lite split wireless mechanical keyboard is an innovative and ergonomic typing solution that offers a unique wireless experience. With its 2.4 GHz wireless connection, you can enjoy a cable-free setup, providing an uninterrupted and seamless typing journey. The true wireless feature allows for perfect synchronization, even when the keyboard is split into two parts. However, for those who prefer a wired connection, especially for gaming or precision tasks, this keyboard also offers a USB-C wired option. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its split design, which promotes a neutral posture and reduces the strain often associated with traditional keyboards. The integrated tinting further enhances comfort by alleviating wrist, back, and shoulder pain, thus reducing the risk of repetitive strain injuries and carpal tunnel syndrome. This design makes it an excellent choice for those who spend long hours typing or gaming. The keyboard standard version offers 65 keys, providing a compact and efficient layout. The PBD keycaps offer a premium typing experience, and the hot-swappable feature allows for easy customization and keycap replacement. Additionally, the keyboard is fully programmable, enabling users to tailor it to their specific needs and preferences. With its RGB backlighting, the Lite split wireless mechanical keyboard adds a touch of style to your setup. The single-color backlighting can be customized to match your aesthetic, providing a subtle yet effective lighting effect. In terms of compatibility, this keyboard works seamlessly with laptops, PCs, and tablets, making it a versatile choice for various devices. The 2.4 GHz wireless connection ensures a stable and reliable performance, perfect for both work and play. Overall, the Lite split wireless mechanical keyboard is an excellent investment for those seeking an ergonomic, customizable, and wireless typing experience. Its unique features, such as the split design and tinting, promote comfort and reduce the risk of injuries associated with long hours of typing. With its wireless and wired connectivity options, this keyboard offers the best of both worlds, catering to the needs of both gamers and professionals.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.